What it do, Jeffro Money fam? Back with some sad news, man. Our brother Kobe Bryant has tragically passed in a helicopter crash along with 4 others who have yet to be identified. My prayers and condolences go out to him and his family, all of his survivors. Man, it's just a sad day. Crazy way to start 2020, you know what I'm saying? Losing Kobe Bean like that, man. I wasn't even an avid fan. Gotta give respect, you know? And Kobe Bryant meant a lot to a lot of people. And to the game of basketball, not just as a player, but as a role model, citizen, father, you know? Mentor. So it's just sad to see a young man at the age of 41 tragically lose his life so spontaneously. My prayers and condolences again go out to him and his family. It's a sad occasion, and I'm sad I had to bring you guys this video. But let's take a moment of silence to pay our respects to Kobe Bean Bryant. We love you, Kobe. And we know you're in a better place, man. So your family stay strong. Jeffro Money fam, I'm out.